So this may be a short video, you know, showing how to get the oil pressure sensor back there. First thing, I got this, you know, I just get it out of the way, you know, because it got hooks in here, you know, right there. So I just pop it out. There is a bolt right behind right here in the half, so you have to squeeze your hand right here and you will feel it. It's next to the what the hose was, you know, you just a little bit down there. I really have no ways to show you what exactly is. I use this thing right here with the little adapter right there, and I use my small ratchet right there, and then I just put them right there, you know, and go right behind, you know, and you start ratcheting, you know, get it out. It's gonna take a little while because you don't have that much room back there, but you should get it out. And this is the one you get it out, the 10 millimeters. And the next step, and the hard one, I think, is gonna be getting this hose out of the way, which it goes right here on the back. So what I did is I pushed this plastic, you know, on this side, you know, this back plastic right here. I push it back so that way I can see where where the hose is right here in front, right there. So when I push it back, you know, you can see the clamp, you know, on that side. So what I did is I used the flathead, you know, just a long one. Oh, where's it at? Inside, oh, right here. So I used this flathead right here, and then what I did is I just push from here, you know, pushing with one hand this right here. I push it back, and then with the other hand I push the hose, you know, I press the clamp right here. Let me show you this one right here. You know, I press it right here, right on, and push the whole thing back, and that way I got this thing out of the way. This is how you get your 17 right here with the swivel right on top, you know, and extension. And then we just have to slide it in there. You know, see the yellow thing right there, right on top. Now you just have to play with that one. It should go all the way there. It's already in there. Now, what you're gonna do is just get you ratchet right there. And then you're gonna start getting out. I'm gonna get this out because I think it's enough. It's already loose. I'm gonna get this out too. And I'm gonna check if I can do it by hand. Yeah, it should come out now. I'm gonna get my hands out of inside. Okay, I'm gonna get the swivel out of the way. Let me zoom down. I'm gonna get the socket now. Let me see if I can get it out. Okay, I got the socket out. Now, I'm gonna try to do by hand so I can get it out. Let me see if we can get this thing out. Alright. That's how you get your sensor out. And then it should be a filter down there which you have to use with the pick. I don't know if you can see right there, but let me see if I can get it out to show you right there, okay? Maybe it's already out, who knows, I can barely see. This is the new one, and it comes with a little filter, but yeah, most people not using it, you know, because sometimes it clogged up and then messed up the reading for the sensor. So I hope that helped, guys, you know, save you time and money. Peace.